Professor and Head, Division of Plant Pathology, Dr. Ali Anwar sir, Professor Zuhur Ahmed, Professor Najib Mughal, Professor Wasim Yusuf, dear trainees, Assalamu alaikum, and a very good morning to all of you. Today we have assembled here for the valedictory function of the 7-day advanced ESDP training program on the entrepreneurship training on spawn and ready-to-fruit bags of oyster mushroom. This week has been an incredible journey, not only for the trainees, but also for us organizers. Standing here, I am overwhelmed with the sense of pride in our collective accomplishment and a profound gratitude for all of them, all of you who have been part of this journey with us. At the outset, I would like to invite Dr. Wasim Yusuf for giving an overview about this training program.
Respected Professor and Head Dr. Ali Anwar, respected Professor Zuhur Ahmed, Professor Najib, Dr. Najib Mughal, Professor Ifat Shanawi. So today we are concluding this program. I am highly thankful to Allah that I'm thankful to Allah that I succeeded in completing this program. So in all these days, we had different lectures from various resource persons. We had tours. We conducted tours, one to Lal Mandi and the other was trainees were taken to field visit and one visit to entrepreneur at industrial area in Lassipura. I think that was a wonderful place where we saw how mushrooms are cultivated even at this extreme temperature. And now is the time when we have to say goodbye and we have to conclude this program. I think the whole journey has been very smooth and very nice and cheerful. I think you people have enjoyed this training and you have learned here. So I request you, please give your feedback. Rather, if I will keep on talking, it won't have that much, actually that effect. So if you will provide your feedback, that will actually say how we conducted this program. If you will give your feedback, then only we can say that this has been a smooth journey or we have been lacking in somewhere. So with this, I think I'll close. Please carry on, Ifat.
Before we proceed any further, I would like to invite feedback from the participants from our engagement. And please.
Professors, अस्सलामु अलैकुम। मैं आप सबकी शुक्रगुजार हूँ, मुझे इन लोगों ने यहाँ आने का मौका दिया और कुछ सीखने को मुझे मिला ताकि मैं अपनी ज़िंदगी और बेहतर बना सकूँ। मैंने मशरूम के बारे में बहुत कुछ सीखा है यहाँ पर, उसकी कैसे होता है, ये ग्रो कैसा करता है, इसको मशीन कैसे मशीन होता है, किस तरह इसको स्पॉन बनाते हैं, फिर उस तरह किस तरह हम इसकी पैकिंग करते हैं। तो ये इतना मैंने यहाँ पर सीखा है, उसका सेटअप कैसा होना चाहिए, जैसे कि ट्रेडिशनल भी दिखाया है इन्होंने और टेक्नोलॉजिकली भी दिखाया। इन लोगों ने हम पर बहुत सारा टाइम स्पेंड किया है, इसके लिए हम इनके अप्रिसिएशन करते हैं, इनको तो हम थैंकफुल हैं इनके, क्योंकि इन्होंने हमें इतना कीमती वक्त हम पर स्पेंड किया है। हमें उम्मीद है हमें आगे भी ये रास्ता दिखाएंगे, जब भी हमें इनकी ज़रूरत पड़ेगी हम कोशिश करेंगे हम भी अपना कीमती समय इस काम पर दें। हम इतना उम्मीद करते हैं कि जब हम यहाँ ये सेटअप हम खुद स्टार्ट करेंगे इस काम को, तो हमें ये रेस्पेक्ट के प्रोफेसर्स हमें और गाइडेंस करेंगे, हम और इससे बेहतर सीखेंगे। थैंक यू सर।
I would now like some student participants to give their feedback. Anyone?
छोटे वाले 25 से
So you can constantly
Assalamualaikum and very good afternoon to everyone who are present here. I am very grateful to my professors and our head, sir, for giving us time for this training session. This training has proven very beneficial for all of us, because in this training we procure all that very knowledge that is very necessary for mushroom cultivation, and inshallah this training will be beneficial in future. This training will be proven beneficial for all of us. मुझे इंशाल्लाह जब हम स्टार्ट करेंगे मशरूम कल्टीवेशन तो हमें इससे जो प्रॉफिट मिलेगा वो हमारे प्रोफेसर्स को उसका मतलब क्रेडिट जाएगा. So this was all from my side. Thank you and have a blessed day.
Proceeding further, it's time to felicitate our experts. At the outset, I would like Dr. Wasim Yusuf to felicitate Professor and Head Dr. Ali Ahmed. Now I invite Dr. Ali Anwar to felicitate the training coordinator, Dr. Wasim Yusuf. I now invite Dr. Ali Anwar to felicitate Professor Zuhur Ahmed Bashar. Dr. Ali Anwar is further requested to felicitate Professor Najib Ahmed Mughal.
Professor Ali Anwar will felicitate Dr. Isa Shenar. And I'm highly thankful to her that she has been a part of this training, and she has been at every step, she has been by my side.
I now request Dr. Ali Anwar and Dr. Wasim Yusuf to provide the training bags to the trainees. I'll call out the names and you are requested to come to the rank. First is Iram Rafiq.
She's at the
Arif Azhar Mushtaq. Wajahat. Taha Salim. Ronak Altaf. Mahfish Aziz. Mahfish Ejaz.
आप नाम पढ़िए ना वो
Gawhar Ali. Huma Jahangir. Nisar Ahmed. Saeed Ashir. Malik Rifaqat. Harshit. Bhageshwar. Rafika Akhtar. Mushtaba Abdullah. Muzammil Sultan. Muzammil Afzal. Muhammad Uzair. Raisa Rashid. Zamin. Vardhvaj Pankaj. Muntazir. Iflaq. Damia. Wasim.
बस आपको मिल गया
सभी को मिल गया?
who have given me this honor to come here and chair this session and validate this training program. And also it is my pleasure to welcome Professor Zohur Sahab who are here also. And I am seeing that some students who are also belonging to our pathology, they are also sitting here and they have attended the training and even heard the lectures from for the teachers who have given and imparted the skill of the training program. And I hope that you will utilize this training program in your life, and even you can develop your entrepreneurship, and even you can establish the unit of mushroom in future as well as in at your home, and even whatever you will want in future you can do it. And I would convey my some insight regarding this mushroom. Mushroom is also promoting you the criteria for the religion and other things. So mushroom always you can utilize in your life and even grow it for future also. And I hope that our worthy the scientists who have given the lectures regarding this mushroom, and it will be fruitful for your knowledge, and even you can increase your knowledge whatever you are keeping about the mushroom. So regarding these words, I would hope again you will flourish your future taking this mushroom opportunity.
Thank you.
Actually, it's the conclusion of this journey. I would like to invite Professor Najib Ahmed Mughal for a formal vote of thanks.
Respected Professor and Head Dr. Ali Anwar sir, respected Professor Wasima Yusuf, the coordinator of this training program, respected Ifat Shahnaz, Professor and co-coordinator of this training program, and my friend and Senior Professor of Division, Dr. Zuhur Ahmed Bhatt sir, and dear trainees, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It is a matter of pleasure for me to present the vote of thanks here in this August gathering. First of all, I am thankful to Professor and Head, Professor Ali Anwar Sahab, for sparing his valuable time and coming to this occasion and gracing this occasion. This has really increased the worth of this training program and this session. So I am highly thankful to him. And at the same time, I can congratulate the whole division for successfully conducting this training program under his guidance, because this training program at the end of the day is conducted by Division of Plant Pathology with Professor Wasim as its coordinator. I also congratulate Professor Wasim for successfully conducting this training program, and I could see that the trainees are enthusiastic to learn more and to attend more trainings in this division. This speaks about the success of how successfully this training program has been conducted. I am also thankful to the scientists who are present here for sparing their time and gracing the occasion. At the end of this session, I am highly thankful to all the trainees, whether they are from outside or they are from the campus. Majority are from the outside, of course, and they are very eager to learn more about the mushrooms, and I assure them that more training programs are being conducted and they should keep in touch with their division so that they can learn more and they can start their ventures in the mushroom. So I thank you all. With your presence, this program was successful. Thank you one and all.